Can you tell me where are we at with the Stevenson project?
Good question. Cabinet Vision let me design everything with precision and send it to the CNC. But after the CNC, to know where the order is at, I have no choice that my only option is to go check on the shop floor.
Are you a Cabinet Vision user? Are you engineering inside of Cabinet Vision? Did you know that WEB-CAB products are compatible with Cabinet Vision? And why are we connecting with Cabinet Vision? To allow the factory to have in real time all the information that was engineered inside of Cabinet Vision. What type of information do we grab from Cabinet Vision? Well, we're taking all the information about the work orders, the product, the parts, the hardware, even the optimization results, and also we produce a 3D drawing for the assembly of what has been built inside of Cabinet Vision. And all of that with no human retranscription. The main reason that our clients connect their WEB-CAB to Cabinet Vision is to make sure that the factory has in real time all the information they need to produce the work order. If you want to know more how to connect WEB-CAB to your Cabinet Vision, I invite you to click on the link below and one of our specialists will contact you.